What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking out the Bitcoin price here. On the daily chart, we can see the RSI going down and the price going up. This is bearish divergence. If Bitcoin does not manage to break all-time high and this trend line, okay, there's going to be danger maybe in the short term for Bitcoin. We might see a huge price drop in the short term, guys. Also, we'll be checking out Ethereum. It looks like that Ethereum is struggling to get above its all-time highs here at $2,210 levels. Okay, it looks like that we are doing a double top just like we did here, so we might see a correction here for Ethereum in the short term. Also, we'll be checking out some different levels. We'll be checking out Litecoin. Also, we were talking about the Elliott wave theory, okay, doing the 1 2 3 4 5 waves, and we might see an ABC correction, a consolidation phase before we continue to the upside. We'll be discussing this today. And if you're interested in trading, guys, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt trading platform. If you use my link in the description, guys, and Bitcoinsensus 50 as promotion code, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, as you can see here on the daily chart for the Bitcoin price, the RSI is going down while the price is going up, okay? Bitcoin, it looks like it's losing strength, okay? We are still like in this ascending wedge. We are creating lower highs right now, so we need to break this trend line to continue bullish, guys. We need to break all-time highs for the price and this trend line here on the RSI. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin is going up, okay, and the RSI is going down, okay, as you can see right over here. This is bearish divergence, so it is very, very likely, okay, usually it's about 60-70%. When this happens, okay, the price of Bitcoin continues down. If the RSI will go down and the price will drop also, guys. Let's zoom in here on the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin, okay, and we can see that we did manage to break from this symmetrical triangle, okay, and we have created a double top, okay. It was a good time to take profits round over here, okay, because there wasn't a huge amount of volume. If I take the volume indicator out, we can see that there's hardly any volume from the breakout, okay. So if I just get the RSI out of the way and zoom in here for the price of Bitcoin on the 15-minute, we can see the breakout from this symmetrical triangle with no volume at all, okay. You need to be very, very cautious from this breakout. It can be a fake out and we might come back in the triangle or continue to the downside. We have created like a double top here, as you can see on the chart. So be very, very careful, guys. The RSI on the daily is going down and the price is going up. So we might be seeing a drop for Bitcoin in the short term unless we can break the all-time high, which is this green box right over here. Okay, depending if we get a nice bounce from the support range, which is the $60,000. Okay, we did have a hard time to break above it. If we go to the 1 hourly chart, we can see right over here that we've been struggling to get above this area. And we did manage to get above. We wicked down, but we are staying above it right for the moment. And we did break with a good amount of volume, guys. So we might hold on here. If we break the $60,000 range to the downside, we'll be retesting this support area. Okay, guys. And this is, if we go to the 4 hourly chart, is the support from this ascending wedge, okay. So, and it's going to be a fourth attempt now to retesting it, so stay very, very cautious, guys. The charts are not looking extremely bullish. We might see a decent correction before Bitcoin continues to the upside. Everybody's talking about all-time highs, breaking all-time high, going to 70,000, but the charts say that we might have a retracement before continuing to the upside, guys. Be careful, okay. Let's take a look at Ethereum here. Ethereum, as you can see, is looking also a little bit bearish in the short term. We didn't manage to break the all-time highs at 2,210 levels. Okay, this is the candle that we had on the weekend, and as I told you, the weekend is not very reliable. The volume, once the traditional markets open on Monday, well, then we can see better volume and clear direction. We did create a double top right over there. as you can see, and the price dropped to the downside. We've created a double top right over here, so we might have a small trend reversal right now, guys. The first levels for the Ethereum price, it looks like we're going to reach very, very soon, is this support area at the $2,090 range. Okay, this is the last support that we've got. We can see that the first support, that we've got, as you can see right over here, you know, it's been major resistance. We broke to the upside. It did manage to support nicely for a bit. Then we got a drop with a decent amount of volume. So the first retest would be right over here. And then we would be creating an M pattern, which is a double top. And if we break this resistance, it is very, very likely that we continue to the downside. The measured move from this breakout, if we create this double top pattern, would be from the top, okay, down to the support area. If we did manage to break this support at the $2,090 range, we could come all the way down to the $1,980 region. Okay, guys, so it is looking a little bit bearish also for Ethereum creating these double tops, you know, not too much. It is looking at, it is topping out here for the short term. So this is what I got for Ethereum, guys. We need to see a reversal now if to turn bullish, back bullish again. Reversal, break the all-time high with a decent amount of volume and getting a nice bounce to continue to the upside. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin is also having a small retracement. We've been talking about Litecoin now for the last few days. We were talking about this this Elliott wave. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave, okay, and potentially now we are going to see an ABC correction. We're going to see the price cooling off, okay, for Litecoin, potentially coming all the way down to the $230 range in the short term. Now we are retesting this support area, okay, so it looks like also we have created a double top for Litecoin on the 1 hourly chart. Okay, and if we break this support area, which we are retesting right now, very, very likely that we are going to come down, as I mentioned, to the $230 range. The measured move would be from the top down to the support, and from the breakout, it could take us all the way down to the $230 range, which has been major resistance, as you can see here in the past for Litecoin. Okay, so very likely, before we continue to the upside, Litecoin might have a consolidation phase and a retracement, and then potentially continuing to the upside with all this bullish sentiment, guys. This is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got incredible tutorials and reviews on different exchanges. We've got the latest news and technical analysis also. So I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt tutorial, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. Massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.